Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parrying. So atactico. Let's try Nd5 here. Alright, I like this D4. I'm going to get this huge pin on there if he's not careful. This position I could just take on B6, D5, have the bishop here. B4 I don't think really helps, Nd5. There's F4, there might be bishop G4. F takes an exchange sack, that's interesting. Why don't I just take the dark square bishop here? Why can't I do this? Just gain the space. And try and use that dark square bishop later. So H3 and F4. Or maybe even just on the queen side to try and play for a C5 break. So these pesky knights, what are they doing? If I play just bishop E3, I mean he's fractured. Alright, let's get out of bishop B5 though. That could be a nuisance. Is it worth it? I think it might be. Start looking at B6 here. So queen B3. Start scrutinizing B6. He moves it to B5. I've got knight C3 after that. Okay, I can get a tempo here. And another potential tempo on B6 now. Can I win B6? Okay, why is that being left? Can I not just play knight takes B5? I don't trust this sack that much. Free pawn. In fact, takes here, there's bishop B6 after winning knight on E4. I just resigns here, blimey. It is pretty bad. Is that premature resignation? If he goes here, well yeah, I'm just to exchange up for nothing much. Wow. Wow, what a game. That was okay, it was my second cup of tea actually. I was experimenting with tea drinking in the morning. So I'm trying to wake up in the morning and yeah, maybe this is just good, taking on B6. The dark square bishop, he's pronounced the dark square bishop by fracturing his pawns. I could stop bishop B5 with queen B3. Yeah, that would be useful for B6 anyway. This is just a bit reckless. He's just giving me tempos on his rook. It's a bit silly. Oh well. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.